here it is, the fall of the year, October. For about 3 weeks we've been picking up acorns. Before the leaves fall, the acorns fall. And you must pick them up, because no machine can pick them up. And if you leave them on the ground, they'll get sunk in, and you'll have hundreds of baby trees growing everywhere, and you'll have a forest floor. And you never want to park your car under oak trees. Well, this property has several oak trees, and you must be careful, and we must pick them up. And here you'll see how we do that. No, you won't see that. Look out! Yes, look out, because they hurt when they hit. Don't park your car under oak trees in the fall. Don't ever park your car under oak trees. This is a warning video. If you do, woo! You'll have lots of dings and dents. Alright, so I guess, well, let me pull myself together again. This is October, yes. I'm collecting my 5th long bag full of acorns. And here you'll see them rain down. Oh, they're fun to watch. And they hurt when they hit, trust me. I've been hit on the head, even on the hand, and the sting lasts several hours. The trees are like 4 or 5 stories high, the oak trees. So, enjoy. And you must pick up the acorns first. And then after that, there are, I don't know, 20 tons of leaves that are going to fall. You got to pick them up too. But it's all worth it, because trees are life. They give oxygen, you nimrods. Don't cut your trees down. Get your lazy asses and pick up the leaves and enjoy picking them up. That's life. It's prodigious. It's part of life. Don't look at it as waste. This is life. Be friends to your trees. Plant trees. Take care of trees. Love them. God have mercy on us all. May we always respect trees. Amen.